Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to add either a credit card or a debit card to your Google GPay account. So what we want to do is open up the GPay application. And once you launch the GPay account, you can see in the upper right hand corner next to your account name, there should be an image of a card, and this is going to be your primary payment method. So if you want to add a credit card or a debit card, what you want to do is click this area in the upper right hand corner. And then that's going to open up an area where it shows all of the cards that you have linked to your GPay account. So what we want to do is if we scroll to the end, it gives us the option to add a payment method. So we're going to click on that. And it says choose a card to set up. And right there it says credit or debit card. Click the little plus sign. And that's going to take you to the add a card page. So what you want to do is take a picture of the back of your card, or you can enter your details manually. And after you do that, we're going to move on to the next step. And then you just want to double check to make sure that your information is correct, your address and your card details. And then you save the card and it will add it to your GPay account. And then you can read the issuer's terms. And once that checks out, you can click accept and continue. And then it will ask you to verify either through a phone number or an email address. So once you get that verification code, you enter it here and click submit. And you should be good to go at that point in time. If you scroll through your cards, you should find it at the end of the list. The most recent card that you add is going to show up at the end of the line. And if you wanted to make this your primary payment resource, you would just click on the card and then click where it says make default for contactless. And now this payment method is the default for contactless once you have that set up, if that's what you're looking to do. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about adding either a credit card or a debit card to your Google GPay account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.